couple of years, I'm going to have to do something soon because me and my wife were buying some property at Big Bear in Branson. And I need a job that does at least 8 to 10 hours a day because I can't do no split shifts anymore. When I moved out there, her mother and father-in-law got a property and building up on it, and they're allowing us to come live with them again, live upstairs. But we got to pay for everything up there. So, yeah, I might do something. But you drive like a semi, right? I drove there in a semi, and I milkshake that motherfucker. I could not shift or do anything. I just haven't had no semi experience. I know you said you guys train, but man, I don't know. What I'll be getting myself into. How you doing?